Radius of gyration. It is denoted by K. Definition. It is defined as the distance at which the A area is supposed to be concentrated to give the same moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is equal to ak square k equal to square root I by a, where I is the moment of inertia, a is the area of section, k is the radius of gyration. Radius of gyration x axis, I axis upon a. Area of gyration and radius of gyration y axis, I upon a. Unit of radius of gyration, mm, centimeter, millimeter or meter.